In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear OneDrive storage. Let's begin by accessing the Microsoft web page. To do this, simply type Microsoft.com into your browser's search bar. Once you've arrived at the site, look towards the top right corner where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it, and you'll be on your way to accessing all things Microsoft, including OneDrive. Now, it's time to log into your Microsoft account. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, so make sure to input the one associated with your OneDrive account correctly. After entering your email, click the Next button to move forward. Following this, you'll be required to enter your password. Take care to enter your password accurately. If by chance you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's always an option to reset it. Once you've entered your password, click the next prompt to continue. If you're on a computer that you trust, you might want to say yes to the prompt asking if you'd like the browser to remember your credentials, as this will save you time in the future. However, if you're on a public or shared device, it's safer to choose no. After you've successfully signed in, navigate over to the Microsoft Suite options. Here, you should see an option labeled All Microsoft. Clicking this will unfold a list of various Microsoft services and applications. Look for OneDrive among these options because this is Microsoft's cloud storage solution where your files and documents are stored. After clicking on the OneDrive icon, you might be asked to sign in again. This is an added step to ensure that your storage and files remain secure under Microsoft's protocols. Once you've signed in, direct yourself to the home page of your OneDrive. You'll notice that this interface is user-friendly, displaying your files and the storage space you've utilized. In the bottom left corner of the screen, you'll see a small storage meter, perhaps showing something like 2.5 gigabytes used. Click on this meter, and it will take you to a more detailed view of your storage usage. From this storage management page, select the OneDrive option, where you'll see how your storage is distributed across different files and folders. Now, it's time to identify files that you no longer need. These could be old documents, redundant photos, or files you've backed up elsewhere. OneDrive provides a clear view of which files are consuming the most space, making it easier for you to decide what to clear. To start clearing space, simply select the files or folders you wish to delete and proceed to remove them. It's really as simple as that. As you delete unnecessary files, you'll notice your available storage increases, giving you more space for important documents and media. A couple of pro tips to keep in mind are to periodically review your storage to keep it optimized, and, if you ever accidentally delete something important, remember that OneDrive typically holds deleted items in the recycle bin for a limited time, allowing you to recover them. That's it, you've learned how to manage and clear your OneDrive storage, ensuring you make the most out of your available space. Keep these steps in mind, and your digital storage will be more organized and efficient, sparing you from unnecessary stress over storage limits.